Lesson 1-4, solving two-step and multi-step equations. So you've already been solving single-step equations, and a single-step equation just has one term next to the variable. Two-step equations are similar, they just have two terms next to the variable. So there's one extra step that you have to take when you're solving them. These are almost always going to be one operation of multiplication or division and one operation of addition or subtraction. Now, these two terms can be either connected or separate. If they're connected, that means that the multiplication or division is acting on both the variable and the number that is being added or subtracted. Okay, in this case, we have parentheses around the x plus 4, and we're multiplying 3 by both of those. In this case, we have the x plus 4 as the numerator, and we're dividing both of them by 3. Okay, so that's connected because we can't just pull the 4 straight out of there. All right, a separate term is one where the multiplication or division only acts on the variable. So we have 3 times x, and that is separate from our plus 4, or x divided by 3, which is separate from our plus 4. Okay, you'll see both of these types of problems, and they differ only in which operation you are doing first. All right, so when we're solving them in concept 1, if they are connected, all right, like this one, this is connected because the division is acting both on the variable and the constant, all right, and the number. We have to first get rid of this or take care of this division, all right? So just like if we had a problem that was just a variable divided by a number, we are going to start off by multiplying that by whatever's in the denominator. So we multiply 3 to both sides. These cancel, and we'll rewrite it. X plus 2 equals 4 times 3. And here you have a choice. You can either resolve this first, or you can subtract 2 from this side to isolate the variable. I think that it is easiest to simplify this as an interim step, but you should get the same answer either way. So if we solve this first, we should get x plus 2 equals 12. Subtract 2 from both sides, and end up with x equals 10. Okay, so because they were connected, our terms were connected, we did the multiplication to eliminate our division first. All right, if they are not connected, we're going to take care of our addition or subtraction first. All right, that way we can get it out of the way so we don't have to worry about it when we're doing our multiplication or addition. So I'm going to add the opposite, add 4 to both sides, and end up with 3x, these cancel, equals 5, and I'm going to do it in this step. 5 plus 4, which is 9. So I solved this operation in the same step, which is totally fine. The last step you're going to do is, of course, to take care of this 3. So we divide both sides by 3. And we end up with the answer being x equals 3. All right, that's it for this video.